Imagine a future where humans live on another planet. It sounds like science fiction, but with the right technology and preparations, it could become reality. Let's explore what we would need to make it happen. Breathing, the air we need. Oxygen supply. On Earth, we breathe oxygen from the air. However, most planets don't have breathable air. For example, Mars has an atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide, which humans can't breathe. We need to bring oxygen with us or find a way to produce it there, perhaps by splitting water H2O into oxygen and hydrogen using a process called electrolysis. Pressure and composition. The air pressure and composition must be similar to Earth's. Mars has very low air pressure, so we need habitats, living spaces that are pressurized to keep our bodies functioning normally. Protection from radiation. Cosmic and solar radiation. Earth's magnetic field protects us from harmful radiation from space. Planets without this protection expose us to high levels of radiation, which can cause health issues like cancer. On Mars, for instance, we would need to build shelters with thick walls, possibly underground, to protect us from this radiation. Staying warm or cool. Extreme temperatures. Planets often have extreme temperatures. Mars can be freezing cold, dropping to minus 125 degrees Celsius, minus 195 degrees Fahrenheit at night. To survive, we need habitats with good insulation and heating systems to keep us warm. Food and water, the essentials, sustainable agriculture. On Earth, we grow food and soil with sunlight and water. On another planet, we might use hydroponics, a method of growing plants in water with added nutrients without soil. We need to create the right light conditions, possibly using artificial lights, water sources. Water is crucial. We might extract water from ice found on planets like Mars or recycle water from waste. Advanced filtration systems would ensure we have clean drinking water. Gravity and health, bone density and muscle atrophy. Earth's gravity keeps our muscles and bones strong. Lower gravity on planets like Mars, which has about 38% of Earth's gravity, can cause our muscles and bones to weaken over time. Regular exercise and possibly living in rotating habitats that simulate Earth's gravity could help keep us healthy. Psychological and social factors, isolation and confinement. Living on another planet means being far from Earth, which can be lonely and stressful. We need ways to stay mentally healthy, like frequent communication with family and friends on Earth, hobbies, and community activities. Community dynamics. A small group of people living together must get along well. Teamwork, good communication, and conflict resolution strategies are important to maintain harmony. Technological infrastructure, habitat construction, building safe and comfortable homes on another planet is crucial. These habitats must withstand the planet's conditions, like dust storms on Mars. They need to be airtight, pressurized, and temperature controlled. Life support systems, systems that provide air, water, and food and recycle waste are vital. These systems must be reliable and efficient, as a failure could be life-threatening. Energy sources, power supply. We'd need a reliable source of power to run our habitats and equipment. Solar panels could work on planets with enough sunlight. Like Mars, nuclear reactors could provide a more constant power supply, especially during long nights or dust storms. Transportation and mobility, surface exploration. To explore and gather resources, we'd need vehicles adapted to the planet's terrain. These vehicles would need to be robust and capable of operating in harsh conditions. Interplanetary travel, efficient and safe travel between Earth and the other planet is crucial. Spacecraft must be reliable and capable of making the long journey, possibly taking several months to reach their destination. Legal and ethical considerations, ownership and governance. Living on another planet raises questions about who owns the land and how laws are enforced. International cooperation and agreements would be necessary to establish governance. Ethics of colonization, it's important to consider the impact on potential extraterrestrial ecosystems. Ensuring that human activities do not harm any existing life forms or environments is crucial. Examples of potential habitats. Mars. Mars is often considered for human colonization because it has conditions somewhat similar to Earth. NASA and companies like SpaceX are actively working on plans to send humans to Mars. The presence of water ice, day length similar to Earth, and relatively moderate conditions make it a strong candidate. Moon. The Moon is much closer to Earth and could serve as a stepping stone for further space exploration. It has valuable resources like water ice in its polar regions and lower gravity, which makes it easier to launch missions from its surface. We live another planet. Surviving on another planet is a monumental challenge that requires overcoming many obstacles. Advances in technology, international cooperation, and careful planning are essential to make this dream a reality. With determination and innovation, humans may one day call another planet home.